We about to holler. Let me know. What's up, Greg? You ready? All right, let's go. We rolling with my man, Chris, Freddie Luke, Cuzzo Entertainment and stuff. We down here at Lure for the first Saturday, the #1 spot. We down here talking to #1 promoter in the city, Chris Paul, extraordinaire, marketing genius. Let us know how it's going tonight and stuff like that for the night. What's up?
Gino, man, it's a crazy night, man. It's a crazy, crazy night. It's really retarded right now. We got sexy ladies everywhere, brothers in here taking it easy.
Yes,
and this is what we do every first Saturday, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir. Every first Saturday, come down, holla at Chris Paul, holla at DB and stuff. We got Freddie Luke and stuff like that. What you got to say about first Saturday down here at Lure, partner?
Hey, son, it's real out here, son. You know what I'm saying? It's all these fine women. I don't know what to do. You feel me? Hey, tell them she need to come. Oh, man, let me tell you something. That's my man right here for life. You feel me? We messes with Chris. I don't want to say what I really want to say, but it's what we do. It's my.
That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna leave it off camera. We're gonna leave it off camera. We definitely don't want to interview Fred on some shit like that. Edit that if you need to, but me and Chris know what we talking about. That's what we talking about. We down at Lure, holding it down, having fun, enjoying ourselves. First Saturday down here. Chris Paul holding it down. DJ extraordinaire, marketing genius.